All right, guys, we're live. We are live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Antonio? What's up, Z3R0 Rush? How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a great day here today. We're not gonna do anything different. We're just gonna catch our simple freaking breakouts. You guys know how we do. Currently looking at this area over here. Probably gonna change it up on the lower time frames. Guys, the trade did play out yesterday. If you guys can see. Yesterday we caught that beautiful banger on US 30. Markets are already moving, but there's still 5 minutes to market open, so we're just gonna chill here. But that was this move right over here. I told you guys that I was gonna enter this trade. It literally happened as soon as we got off stream. Like I got off stream like at 9, and literally 8:50. Well, right before, like I got off stream as soon as this candle started to break out. So I honestly, it was down here. I didn't want to wait. Price eventually did give the move though, which is beautiful. But we're going to go ahead and catch a different move here. Okay, so what I'm seeing here today is price has this resistance here on US 30. We also have like a diagonal resistance here on the lower time frames. If you guys notice, we have like this trend line over here happening. So that's something to keep in mind. If you guys are noticing, we have like a 5-minute zone over here that price is respecting. We are breaking out right now, but we can't do anything because the market is still, we're waiting, dude. We're waiting because the market is not open yet. So we do have like this level here of like, you can call it like a trend line support or like a diagonal support. But you guys know that we're gonna wait for that. If you guys are noticing though, we do have this level here of support that we could possibly trade off of, which is this. We do have to keep in mind that once we break out of that trend line, we could easily see a massive flush to the downside. Okay, so these are my two zones here for today. We're gonna be looking for buys above here, buys above. Guys, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys are liking the stream. If you guys are old to the stream, make sure you guys are liking the stream. It helps the channel grow. Let's go here. Sells below a closure. But yeah, what's up, Imperium? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Ed? What's up? Full margin on US 30 now. Yeah, I guess you can go full margin before market open, but for me personally, this could just be a pre-market fake out. You know, usually we don't see the move that happens before the market opens. It doesn't usually continue, but today could be that day, you know. But for us, you guys know what we usually wait for, and that is waiting for our setups. Okay. Didn't I just do it? Yeah, I did. Okay, I was like, where the heck is my analysis here on I would draw this level here, but if you guys are noticing, we have this level here of support. It's probably going to be a cleaner level here. So that'll be my zone right there. Okay, I will just wait for the market to give us the move that we are looking for. And we're in the middle of the range right now, so nothing really too much. It looks like we're gonna have to use a 50-point stop loss once the market does open up. Hey bro, can you type in the chat with your Telegram name? Yeah, at FXDR dollar. That's my Telegram, bro. I'm ready. You want a giveaway? Yeah, guys, I'm still looking for editors. If you guys are out there and you guys are editing, oh, look at that, bro. It just freaking popped. Massive pop, guys. We have 120 points pushed to the upside, which is absolutely insane. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to just pay attention here to NASDAQ and see what the NASDAQ wants to do. I feel like, honestly, guys, like, we're pushing, we get a range, we drop, we're pushing, get a range, potential drop. And we're really struggling at this level here to hold above these highs here. So we really want to see some potential trade to maybe come up here. Market's officially open here though, chat, so get your broker ready. Get your broker ready just so we can be ready to execute the position here. breaking out of that trend line that I was telling you guys about. So if we can just start trading below it and then hit my entry criteria, we will be good to go. I'm gonna be looking to taking a trade here on NDX, guys. NDX is gonna be the pair that we're gonna be looking to trade here. Just get ready. Gonna be looking to trade it underneath this low here. 50-point stops. Markets are very volatile right now. That's why we didn't take it right there, because we could easily react at this level. But we'll see. The price can definitely come all the way down here if we can get a nice break. Get ready here. All right. We're in that. We're in that. So wait and see what happens here. 50-point TP is our first take profit. And then going for TP2 here. Underneath this level here. Oh, is US30? No, US30 just flying. Alright, looking good here. We just need to get another push and we should be at TP1, guys. Should be at TP1 here shortly. Waiting patiently for the markets to give us the move. Okay, pushing, pushing, pushing. I really like that we broke out of this level now. We're now into this range here. So I'm pretty sure we can easily come down to this level here. Definitely like that zone there. But you know, we could easily hold runners all the way down under here. Could easily hold runners all the way down under here. And we're about to hit TP1 here, guys. And we're going to start a new streak here on stream, which is beautiful. Start a new streak on the stream. Win streak is live, guys. If we can just push down a little bit more. Just a little bit more. TP smashed, guys. TP smashed. You guys can go ahead and move your stops to break even, or go ahead and close some of your positions. But TP1 has officially hit. TP1 has officially hit, guys. Let's see if we can get a big drop here today. It would be nice. I really don't want us to reject and go back up. Going to be holding here for TP2 would be nice if we can get a push. Price is looking like it wants to stay below this level here. I'm really thinking we can even come down and target this area here. We just need volume and impulse, guys. Wow, bro. Sorry what I said. Holy moly. 2 times retests. Okay, so we have to survive this candle here. I did close partials already, guys. Did close partials, so we'll see if we can catch a continuation here. We just gotta see if we can catch a continuation. 4 minutes into... What happened, Papi? I'm live on stream. Hero? What is that? Come here. If you wanna say hi to the stream, you can say hi to the stream. By the way, how old are you? You look young, bro. I'm actually 27 years old, bro. 27 years old, man. How old are you guys, chat? How old are you guys? I think it might stop out my runner at break even, guys. R.I.P. Might stop up my runner at break even.
Papa.
Yeah, I'm on stream, Papi. You gotta let me work, okay?
Papa. Table.
Table?
Table.
What about the table?
Table.
Hero?
Table.
Come here, Diego. Come. Come.
Table.
Come hang out with Daddy. You came at the perfect time because I'm already in my trade, okay? Look. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. You haven't been having a good morning today, huh? You have not been having a good morning today, huh? Why, Papa? Why haven't you been having a good morning? What the fuck, bro? You look 19? I know, bro. That's a good thing, bro. It was pretty bad when I was getting ID'd all the time, but now I don't really get ID'd. I don't know why. It's like ever since I had a kid, I rarely get ID'd. How beautiful. Enjoy this stage. They grow up so fast. Yeah. Yeah, no. You're growing up fast, huh, dude? No?
No.
What you mean, no? You want to stay a baby forever?
No.
What you mean, no?
Baby.
Bye, babe.
No, baby.
No, baby. You want to go to school?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go to school soon, okay? Your daddy just has to finish working here, and then we can go to school. Don't touch things on the... No, I told you not to touch things, dude. Alright, we're getting a nice push here. Nice push, about to hit TP2 here, guys. Why are you crying, buddy? Why are you crying, little buddy? Why? Oh, TP2 smash there, guys. You guys can go ahead and close your full position. I just went ahead and closed my full position for a... How big was this trade here? $4,100 win. And I went low risk on that one. I only took 7 lots here. I usually throw like 14 or 21 lots. But this is the trade of today. NDX, sell positions, 41.65. Yeah, what's going on, puppy? What's going on? Come. No. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Did somebody do something to you? Huh? Did someone do something to you, man? Winning trade here on stream, which is absolutely beautiful. We can go ahead and break it down for you guys. I was leaning more towards sells because this is a previous level of support. If you guys notice, that price came up to, rejected, and then we started to range, right? So we had that push, and then we get that consolidation right here. Yeah, I need you to be quiet, please. You gotta be quiet or I gotta kick you out. Okay, so you wanna go with mama? Huh? You wanna go with mama? I don't wanna make you cry, bro. Oh my goodness, you're sick? You gotta cover your mouth, puppy.
No.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna go to school right now. Don't worry, guys. I'm so sorry. He's kind of getting in the way of here. But look, so we have this area here. We get that big rejection here to the downside. Okay, go to mom. Go to mama. Go, Bob. Sorry. All right. Sorry, guys. But absolute banger trade there. This is gonna hit TP3 here now. TP3 is about to hit on stream, guys. Beautiful, beautiful positions here today. We needed this. And we got it, man. We got it. Oh, Michael's in a gold trade here. Michael's in a gold trade at 41.8. So he's right at entry. 41.8. No, did he win already? This is at 8:32. No, he's in right now though. 41.8. You guys are at entry right now for that signal. He has a 100 pip stop loss and a 100 pip take profit, guys. So we'll see if it wins for him. But yeah, so US NAS 100 was an absolute beauty. Absolute beauty on this one, guys. We have that big rejection wick. We get that range to form right at the previous resistance here. Price then comes down, starts to break out of that resistance, comes down, retests this previous structure of support as resistance now, comes down. We break out of the trend line we were talking about earlier. And then price, it literally just starts to break this low. We execute as breakout traders that we are. And we got out at TP2. Okay. We got out at TP2 for an absolute banger of a win of $4,165. Putting my total profit here, $22,000 since I believe May, guys. So absolute amazing 2 months I've had here in the markets. So we'll see if we, and guys, you guys have seen it all. Like, you guys have seen the wins, the losses, literally everything. So you guys can start to understand that this strategy freaking works. And if you guys can't repeat this strategy day in and day out, well, that's not my issue, just because it just means that you're not following a very strict plan. Like, it's very simple what we do. We find our levels of resistance. We find our levels of support. We don't really care about bias and stuff like that. We just wait for our setups. And look at this, bro. It's freaking absolutely running right now, bro. Absolutely running. I got out right here. I got my piece of the cake. I don't need the whole cake. And you know, we call it a day. Dollar, I got my login details yesterday. I appreciate you. Yes, sir, ski. $200,000 profit, yeah. But yeah, so if you guys notice, we do have this now this range here that we might want to fill, which is actually nuts. So we'll see how far down this wants to go. But other than that, guys, you guys are freaking killing it, bro. I do giveaways on stream every single day, so if you guys are new here, make sure you guys are hitting that sub button, guys. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button if you like my work. And that's how you guys, and turn on your post notifications, guys. Post a notification so you guys know exactly when I go live. Even when I don't schedule the stream, you guys will be able to see, okay, Dollar's live right now. So post notifications, turn that on. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button as well. How many likes we got today, guys? 23 likes, not that much. 23 likes is not that much. But we're gonna do some giveaways here today, so make sure you guys stay here for a little bit longer. But absolute beauty of a trade here, guys. Absolute beauty. US 30. I was thinking about taking this US 30 trade over here, but it moved right before market open, so that wouldn't be part of my plan. And one thing that we always do here, guys, is we stick to the plan. Win or lose, we stick to the freaking plan. You know, but overall the level was valid. We drew that level out before it made that move, so very, very clean. Gold looks like it wants to stop Michael out, unfortunately, but he won yesterday, so he's a good beast of a trader, bro. Beast of a trader. If you guys are he's freaking 18 years old, guys. 18 years old, having the confidence to call signals on a daily basis for you guys. Just trading on a funded account, so he's trying to get his money up, and I wanted to give him an opportunity to showcase his skills. So shout out to Michael there. Win or loss, he's a good trader and overall profitable, which is why I put him in that chat. Who here has caught oh, he's on a sell? He's on sells? Oh my god, he's in sells. He's actually in sells, guys. So he's in sells at 418. I wonder if he lost already. I wonder if he lost already, though. Because his stop loss is 428.41. Like, did he lose by a fucking pip? Let me see if that hit on FHX markets. 428, right? 428. Yeah, it did. It barely hit. But I don't know when he got in, to be honest. I don't know when he got in. Either way, bro, that shit barely hit his stop loss, bro. Check out BTC. What, it's flying again? Oh my god, it's fucking dumping. Bro, I'm thinking about buying a lot of Ethereum, guys. Thinking about buying a lot of Ethereum, bro. Like, it's so low. 1,500 is so good. 1,500 is so good, dude. Just think about this, bro. Like, 1,500, and if you guys notice, like, highs here are 5,000, bro. So even if you see, like, 1,500, even if you see something come down all the way to, like, maybe 800 or 900, like, now is a pretty good time to start dollar cost averaging, right? So, like, if it pops, if it doesn't, you dollar cost average down here, then you dollar cost average over here, and then we should get, like, the pop, you know? Which, dude, you can make a lot of money on this run right here. Like, BTC is going to be tougher just because it's already at 61,000, right? It's at 61,000. I believe the highs are like 127. Yeah, 120. So it's like you can double if you reach all-time highs. But with Ethereum, you know, with Ethereum, you can actually freaking triple, quadruple if you get down to 1,000, you know? So it's definitely a better investment, at least for what I've been thinking. So either should go by next year to 10K, yeah. Yeah, bro, FHX is valid as fuck. If you guys want, I can do a withdrawal for you guys on stream tomorrow. You guys want me to do that for y'all? And kind of show you the whole process. For that'll be for FHX markets. FundedHero is the prop firm, FHX is the broker. And yeah. They're fucking fire, bro. Like the spreads, like you guys see my entries, bro. Like when I get in, bro, I'm in. When I get out, I'm out. So it's very good, bro. I enjoy trading with them, and I don't see why you guys wouldn't. You know. Did Michael win this, bro? Gold is such a bro. Barca was trying to make me trade gold the other day, bro, and I was like, bro, fuck gold, dude. You guys like trading gold? Maybe better investments would be Tesla or Nvidia stocks. It should be fast. Yeah, it's 100% fast. I think they also pay on bank accounts. No, soon, credit cards and things like that should come. We've already, it's already all in the works, guys. So once we get that, I know a lot of you guys will move over to FHX. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for that, but we are working on that. Dollar, are you looking for another trade? Just looking to see if this trade here plays out. Monitoring gold setup. Yes, sir. Why trade gold when you can rip 200 points on that on US30 and Nasdaq in 5 minutes? Yo, facts, bro. Look at that fucking trade we caught. Look at that fucking trade we caught, man. Make a post here. Let me make a quick post, guys. Quick post. Guys, we just caught this absolute freaking banger of a trade, bro. Look at that drop. I got out like right here. I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal tomorrow on stream. So if you guys want to see withdrawals on FHX markets, we're going to be doing a live withdrawal tomorrow. So it's going to be extremely transparent. So made about $4,165 here today on this trade. I held it to right about here for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. And yeah, we're going to catch another winning trade tomorrow and do a live withdrawal. So I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Absolute freaking banger of a trade, bro. Look at that drop. I got out like right here. I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal tomorrow on stream. So if you guys want to see withdrawals on FHX markets, we're going to be doing a live withdrawal tomorrow. So it's going to be extremely transparent. So made about $4,165 here today on this trade. I held it to right about here for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. And yeah, we're going to catch another winning trade tomorrow and do a live withdrawal. So I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Guys, we just got this absolute... What a beauty. Guys, what a beautiful session. What a beautiful session. What a beautiful session. I gotta take my kid to school at some point, though. It's because I woke up a little late, bro. So if I don't wake up, like, perfectly at 7 a.m. Well, I didn't wake up. My wife did today, but 7 a.m. is the time that I need to be awake in order to do everything I want. But I guess she woke up a little bit later. But 7 a.m. and then I get him ready. It takes like an hour to get ready. 8 a.m. I leave the house. I drop him off. It's like school's like 6 minutes away. Come back like around like 8:20, I would say, and then go live at 8:25. That is my morning routine. Wake up, feed my kids breakfast, get my kids ready, change them, and then, well, my daughter doesn't go to school, but I still like to get her ready, you know, for the day. He goes to like a pre-early learning shit. It's like a school. It's like pre-K, you know? Shit's fucking it's a pretty good, they have a pretty good business, bro. Not gonna lie. I've been thinking about opening up a little daycare or something like that. I think it'll hit. What do you guys think about that idea? Bro, is there any giveaway? Yeah, there is a giveaway. We're gonna be doing a giveaway here very, very soon. I just want to do it on the Instagram post that's about to come out. Chat, have you guys been liking my content that I've been posting? I don't know how I feel about it. I want your guys' opinions. Like sharing the details of like the analytics I see on the back end, things like that. I don't know if I like it too much, but I know that a lot of people will like it if they are prop firm traders and stuff. So but yeah, is giveaway on YouTube or IG? It'll be on Instagram. It just hasn't came out. It comes out in 6 minutes, bro. But yeah, guys, I think this shit's gonna play out for him. Nas 100, easy fucking drop, bro. I told you guys it was gonna fill. I called this, bro. I knew it was gonna fill this freaking range. But I wasn't willing to risk that much, leaving that much money on the table, and risk rejecting at this level and coming all the way back up, right? But once we broke that level, that was another re-entry for sales right there. To then target this range here. Very easy trading here today, guys. Very easy trading here. How can I join? Join what? Joining the giveaway? Yeah, we're gonna do that right now in 5 minutes, bro. I'll let you. Well, you have to do everything in the description down below, bro. First, and yeah. So yeah, he won, guys. So he just hit TP1 right there on gold. I told you guys when he was at entry, and he freaking hit. So W Michael in the chat. W Michael in the chat. Guys, if you guys made any money here today, please send it over to at FHX Markets. No, I'm an idiot. At Dr. Dollar right here. At FX Dr. Dollar on my Telegram, guys. Please send me your profits that you've made on stream today on Telegram, please. Maybe with a nice little testimonial would be nice. But yeah, if you guys can do that, I think that's how we're gonna do the giveaway. So make sure you guys are doing that. Just send me your profits that you've made from this trade or any other trade that you guys caught today. At FX Dr. Dollar on Telegram, okay? I looked at US30 too late. Yeah, that happens, bro. It happens. But remember, it's never too late, bro. Like, if you missed a trade on US30, NAS 100 is usually in a range, right? That you can possibly catch. At FXDR Dollar, guys. Send me your profits on Telegram, and yeah. Good. Could have caught that drop. Yeah, bro. You just got to pull up here on time, bro, and you could have caught this drop right here. We caught it right over here, got out right over here, and we took our little piece of the pie, bro. We don't need the whole entire cake to be full. I'm full, bro. Full of profits. That's what I'm full of. I didn't take the trade today. It's alright. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna get off here though. Make sure you guys are leaving a like and comment on my Instagram post, and I'll pick one person from there. It comes out in 3 minutes. Alright, guys. So just make sure you guys are looking out for that, and then I'll DM the person who wins. But I appreciate you guys, and just leave a like and a comment on the most recent Instagram post that comes out in like 3 to 5 minutes. All right. See you guys tomorrow on stream. Peace, guys.